All right, guys, welcome. Now we are looking at how to, load your converted files into your digital audio workstation. All right. So straight ahead. Now, from one of my videos, one of my tutorials I made where I spoke about how to convert 32-bit VSTs to 64-bit VSTs, a question came up. The question is, it says, how do you apply the converted file to a program? Or it just run in that new folder? Or do I have to copy it into the original folder? That was the question. So I'm making this video in response to this question. All right. So in my own case, if you haven't seen the video, here's the video up here where you learn how to convert your 32-bit VSTs into your 64-bit VSTs. Of course, the reason you have to do this is because you have the latest app. For example, what you use today to make your audio, which your digital audio workstation does not accept maybe your 32-bit VSTs that you have, and you love them so much. You don't have to throw them away. You don't have to worry so much. All you have to do is to convert them. The video is right here. I spoke about how to convert your 32-bit to 64. Now, having converted them, the question is, will it automatically show up in your 64-bit audio workstation? That's your digital audio workstation. How are you going to just say it? Very simple, straight ahead. What I do usually, if I convert, I just create a folder. Like in my own case, there's a folder here created. I named it converted. So when I convert those VSTs, it comes directly into this place. You can see a number of converted VSTs. For example, you have this Avos Choir.64.dll. Okay, now don't forget your DLL extension VSTs. You have the Harmony Engine.64. So of course the extension is .dll. All right. Now, it will not automatically go into your folder. That's your DLL, for example. So since you are the one who directed it into this folder called converted, you're just going to pick it up from here. Now you have it as 64-bit VSTs as an extension. You just copy and then look for a folder where your DAW, the current DAW you are using at the moment, can of course access. All right. Okay, so if you are using a Fruity Loops, for example, you check out where your Fruity Loops folder access the effect that it has. Just copy and paste. If you are using Cubase, look for your Steinberg VST, for example, where the Cubase are also loaded. And then, basically, for example, let me open up my Steinberg. I just go straight to one of my folders. I think it's open up somewhere. Let's go to program. Okay, we have Steinberg, right? VSTs. So you can see there are a lot of DLL. Can you see .dll file extensions, files that have been kept here? So if you are bringing in, for example, one of the converted files, you just drop. Okay, so that way, whatever program you are loading will also see, just as it's saying this .dll, will see whatever file that have been converted to 64.dll. All right. Having said that, your .dll is for maybe your Cubase 10.5 Pro will see your 64 and they won't see your 32 bits. So, but your Fruity Loops will also see your .dll. All right. But Pro Tools, for example, will not see your .dll. All right. Pro Tools will want to see your .ax, and that's this is Pro Tools. You want to see your .ax. That's why I made a video explaining how to convert your DLL to AX, which is what your Pro Tools will see. And in the case of Pro Tools, you also have to find a way to look for, once you convert it to your .ax, which I have a video. This video is right here. I did a video on how to convert your .dll to AX. You also have to come in to look for the folder where you can place your .ax. Now, let me just show you that right away. If you click move straight ahead, for example, come into your local disk, okay, you go to your program files. In this case, you look for common files. This is for placing your .ax converted file, right, into your Pro Tools. So you go to common files, you'll find Avid, and then you find audio. All right, you see plugins, you find you have your .ax plugins. Can you see them here? So that way, what you also do is to copy from wherever you have put your wrapped.ax file, which you have converted. In case you don't know how to do that, I have a video up here. Pick up the video, look at how to convert it, then you paste the file that you have converted into this place. So when you open up your Pro Tools, you can also see your .ax file. So basically, that's just it. You copy from wherever file you have, like for example, I use my converted file, your 64-bit here. You pick it up, you can put it in your stem bag as I've explained earlier, or you wrap it to your AX and put it up in your AX folder. That's basically how to solve that problem. It's quite straightforward though. Thanks guys for being part of this. If you have questions, you can feel free to ask and I'll be right there to answer you. Thank you guys. See you much later. Remember, you be the extraordinary.